Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have this 24 mode TENS muscle stimulator machine that will trigger all your aches and pains in your muscles. Alright, so right here we have this muscle stimulator. This one has 24 pre-programmed modes that offer all-around help to relieve your muscle pains. So first off, right here you'll see the muscle machine. If I can get this open. Alright, so right here is the muscle machine. It's by Auvon. So we're just going to grab this and pull this to the side so I can show you what everything comes in the box. So first off, you can see the little black bag. So you can take this anywhere you want. It's got a nice little mesh bag with a drawstring. Alright, now we got the sticky pads. This will connect to your machine to deliver the muscle relieving massages. So you do get a couple sets of these pads. And then in the box you get two sets of the wires because this is a dual channel. So each one of these wires is for each channel. So you will just plug these little metal things into the pads themselves. And then here's the second one, so you can run 4 consecutive pads at once. And then you have this standard port C charging cable. So this does support a lithium ion battery lasting up to 40 hours. Here is the user manual. This basically just tells you about the modes and the intensities and where to put this back massager at, your lower back, your legs. Never put it on your face or around your heart. If you have any heart conditions, do not use this. Just basically things like that. So right now we're going to get into the pads right now. So the little metal ports right here, you just push them in here and they're ready to go. Just right here like that, and the other side goes into the machine. So right here we have a belt clip. The belt clip is great for when you're out jogging or walking around and you don't want to put it in your pocket. You just slip it in here like that and it clips onto your pants. So you can see the belt little clip right here. So the best thing about this machine here, that it does relieve aches and pains to help with your lower back issues. If you have any sore leg pains, this machine helps. So right here you have your menu, lock, your plus, down. Here's your modes, your A and B. We'll just remove it from the clip. You have your time, nice thin profile. And right here at the bottom is your charging port. This does use a Type-C charger. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So one thing about this, that it does offer 24 modes, upgraded time control. So the 24 modes is upgraded including a steady wave mode. The upgraded time controls offers a flexible time settings from 10 to 90 minutes. You have different intensities. The great thing about this is this has a huger battery, a 300 milliamp rechargeable lithium battery to last up to 40 hours standby time, which beats all the other machines. So each one of these, you can see right there's 20 minutes. You've got your power and then your battery display. And then you have each mode has 4 little modes inside each one of them. So here are the pads. So you'll just want to connect your pads. They're very sticky. These could be up to 45 times before the stickiness stops working and you'll need to replace those pads. So this machine is a really nice little machine. You get the dual modes, you get the belt clip, you get the pads, you get the carrying case, everything you need to do to start using those to trigger those little aches and pains of your back muscles or your leg muscles.